News Live Storm Team.
All right, as we take a look outside, we definitely want to start out by reminding you we have a chance for some severe weather heading into our Saturday. Now, here is an update from the Storm Prediction Center. Much of the nation's midsection will see a very good chance of strong thunderstorms and some long-lived tornadoes down to the south, mainly southern South Dakota and points south of there. But for us, we could see an isolated tornado or two, a lot of spin in the atmosphere, and these storms could come with some very gusty winds and, of course, some sizable hail. Take a look at our time lapse. I want to show you a couple of things that are taking place in our environment. Today, light north winds down in the lower atmosphere, upper atmosphere. Look at this. This is what we call shear in the atmosphere when the winds at different levels are from different directions, and you can see that from observing the clouds across the valley today. With that shear, our meteorology team has our eyes open. 60 degrees in Fargo right now, light winds, and in Grand Forks it's 64 degrees, so a little warmer there. Light winds from the north as well. Most of the warmth today up in our northern counties, Roseau and Thief River Falls in those mid-60s. 59 in Detroit Lake, still 59 in Sisseton. Why the difference? Well, when we look at the satellite, a little bit of sunshine for our neighbors to the north today. Never really made it all the way into Fargo-Moorhead. Now, the clearing line definitely is passing through us, but these clouds from the south are lurching northward. These are coming from the storm system that's bringing severe weather to the high plains tonight. The Arrowhead of Nebraska, portions of Colorado where we've had tornadoes reported on the ground already, and this storm system also cooling down the atmosphere to the west of Casper, the high country in both Colorado and Wyoming seeing snow. We may see some of that as well. Here's a look at those storms. These are moving into South Dakota and to the Black Hills area as we speak, and those are going to be making their way in our general direction through the overnight. This big storm system here slowly making its way through means more soggy soakers will be on the way. For tonight, though, get out and enjoy. I think we stay quiet. We'll still stay mostly cloudy in the south. Temperatures hovering near 60. Then overnight, we drop down into the upper 40s to low 50s. Now, overnight, that South Dakota activity could move into our southernmost counties and westernmost counties. We'll have a chance for some morning thunder there. I don't anticipate that stuff to be severe at all. As we go through the day, it's going to be windier. South winds transporting moisture and warmer air. Look at this. Temperatures near 70 by midday. This will be a good part of the day in that morning, so if you want to try to mow the lawn or get some things done, not a bad idea. Then look what happens in the afternoon. Thunderstorms develop out west, others down to the south near the South Dakota state line. These could generate some severe weather in our area. Lakes country, you're not out of the woods either. We'll have some strong to severe thunderstorms. Look at the timing on this, though. We're talking late afternoon into the late night hours with temperatures that will be around 70 degrees. Heading into Sunday, we swirl this system up a little bit, stirring up the moisture. We could have some strong thunderstorms out in our easternmost counties, but take a look at what happens Sunday night into Monday. The blue is snow. That's right, from Williston, and this will march its way eastward as we go into our Monday. We'll keep our eyes on that. It won't last long, I guess that's the best I can say, but a wild weekend of weather that's wet, maybe white for some here. Temperatures fairly steady tonight. We'll see just a few breaks in the clouds, as you see by the sky cam. Upper 70s tomorrow afternoon. Remember, strong thunderstorms means the storm team here will have our eyes on the skies for you. 70s for most of our counties tomorrow, although the north and the west will have the better chance of some rain throughout the day. So Jamestown all the way up to the Devil's Lake Basin. Sunday, a soggy day with windy conditions. The northwest winds move in late, temperatures falling pretty dramatically Sunday night into Monday. Monday, we start off cool, but the rest of the work week for now looks pretty quiet and pretty calm and dry. That's going to be nice as well.
It's enough this weekend.
We'll have a busy weekend of weather. Just be weather aware no matter where you're at and have that app handy.
Yep. Absolutely. Thanks, Hutch.
Later in sports, Bison softball taking on Oregon in NCAA tournament action. Beth has the highlights from Eugene.
And up next, the answer to this question. What year was the Constitution and its articles written?